When we are small, we are always fascinated by the people we see. In an animated film, we find a favorite character. In a computer game, we choose the most fearless hero. We have a singer that we love, a star that we follow, and characters that we copy. We are always trying to walk like them, to talk like them, and we are dreaming that once we will be like them. Didn't you haggle with your friends like, I'm Hannah Montana, you should be Lily. I don't want to be Anne, I'm Elsa. We always need to have an idol that we can follow, that shows us the image of a perfect person. With the passing of time, we understand who our real idol is. It's that person that shows us his real face and leads us on the right way. I found such a person who is close to me. My mom is my hero, and nobody can deny it. She is an English teacher now. She has a lot of students that love and respect her. She had a dream and she realized it. But at the beginning, she was a little girl in the primary school where she decided what she wants to become. The time passed and she was going to her goal. She went to the college, went to the university, and finally she became a teacher. She is happy because she has a favorite job, hardworking students, and she works in a good lyceum in a nice town. She is proud of her students. They admire her because she teaches them not just English, she shows them good qualities and gives them useful advices. She inspires them to try new things, to work on projects, and to follow their dreams. She participated in a lot of projects and has a big experience. She shares her knowledge with her students and with other teachers from our town. She is always open to new challenges. Therefore, her students are well developed and trust her. Every day she gives them interesting tasks, useful knowledge, and opens to them new opportunities. Her students are delighted by her. Her colleagues admire her. Her family is proud of her. Besides her school life, she has a loving family that always supports her. She has an awesome husband, and she is a mother of 2 beautiful children. She is happy, and this is my definition of success. Thus, she is the person that inspires me every day, that gives me wings to fly and stones to land. My mother is my hero, and nobody can deny it.